Welcome to my channel Educational Wisdom. Today we will discuss some important questions from practical geometry. Question 1. Two straight lines cross each other. Find the value of g. Note: when two straight lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite angles are equal. Therefore, 2 times g plus 30 degrees equals g plus 80 degrees. Rearrange the variables and constants. We have 2 times g minus g equals 80 degrees minus 30 degrees, g equals 50 degrees. Question 2. Identify the chord, radius and diameter of a circle. CD represents chord of the circle. AB represents diameter of the circle. OA and OB are the radii of the circle. Question 3. Find perimeter of the circle whose diameter is 10 centimeters. Perimeter of a circle is equal to its circumference. Circumference of a circle equals 2 pi r. C equals 2 times 3.14 times 5. C equals 10 times 3.14. C equals 31.4 centimeters. Note: radius equals diameter, 2. R equals 10 divided by 2 equals 5 centimeters. Question 4. Find area of the circle whose diameter is 10 centimeters. Area of a circle equals pi r square. A equals 3.14 times 5 square. A equals 3.14 times 25. A equals 78.5 centimeters square. OR. A equals pi times d square, 4. A equals 3.14 times 10 square, 4. A equals 3.14 times 100 quarters. A equals 3.14 times 25 equals 78.5 centimeters square. Note: radius equals diameter, 2. R equals 10 divided by 2 equals 5 centimeters. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe the channel and share with others.